Hello everyone, welcome back to Shuprej. In this video, I will discuss about speech and video processing, which is there in JNTU in 4th year, 2nd semester. In this video, I'll discuss about Unit 1, the important questions. Along with that, I'll discuss the key answers as well. And if you want me to explain the solution for these important questions, comment below. For sure, I'll consider that. And this is the complete syllabus of speech processing and speech and video processing. This is the complete Unit 1 syllabus. Here you can see speech production mechanism, completely about speech processing concepts only. In Unit 1 you can see the speech processing concepts only. Clear? Let us start the video. These are all the important questions from Unit 1. I have prepared these 10 questions in such a way that it will cover the entire syllabus of the Unit 1, speech and video processing. Clear? These are all the 10 important questions from the Unit 1. If you prepare for these 10 questions, for sure you can easily score from this Unit 1. Let us start with the first question. Explain the speech production mechanism with need diagram. Whenever they ask to draw the diagram, you have to draw diagram and explain that. This is very important. Drawing the diagram will improve your marks. Here, speech production mechanism. The first topic is speech production mechanism. The question is explain speech production and mechanism. Before writing the answer, you have to understand the question first. Here, speech production mechanism means I am speaking here, I am talking something here, and speeching, which means speech production mechanism. How the speech is producing. Let us see. Air from lungs. Here, air passes through vocal cords. Here, that is the first step happens here. After that, vocal cords vibrate and produce this sound. The vocal cords vibrate and that will produce this. And no vibration, which means unvoiced sound. Vocal tract shapes sound. The mouth, the tongue, lips, everything together that will shape the sound. Clear? The output is speech signal. What I am speaking is the output for this question. Clear? Let us move to the next question. The topic is discrete time speech signals. What are discrete time speech signals? You have to write down. It is the continuous speech. It converted into digital form. The continuous speech is converted to digital form. That is discrete time speech signal. And it is done using some sampling. Clear? And it is represented as sequences of x of n. And it is used for a digital processing. Why we use this means for digital processing, which means the continuous speech is converted into digital form. Clear? And the next question is pole zero model. The question is explain pole zero model of speech. Here speech is the output of a system, the output of the vocal tract that I have already told you. Here the pole is, it represents the resonance. It will represent the formats. That is what the pole means. And the zeros means it represents the anti-resonance. Completely opposite meaning. And this model speech as filter system. This is a filter system. And the next topic is FFT in speech. What is FFT and its importance? Here FFT means Fourier transform. This is the fast method to compute the DFT. Here DFT means the discrete Fourier transform. This is the fastest method to compute the DFT. Clear? It converts the time to frequency domain. Clear? This is about the FFT and it helps to identify the speech features as well. And it is used in speech recognition as well. And you can say that it helps to identify the speech features and speech recognition as well. That is why it is very important, FFT. And the next question is define convolution in speech processing. Here convolution, it combines the output signal and system response as well, and the output will be speech signal and it represents the vocal tract filtering. And this is how you can represent this. Y of n is equal to x of n, which means it will combines the input signal and system response as well. That is why this is how you can represent the convolution. Remember this one. And you have to write down and underline this one, this key point. And the chances of getting more marks easily. Filter banks. Here explain linear and non-linear filter banks. Here linear means equal frequency spacing. The frequency will be equal. Non-linear means based on the human hearing, that will change. The frequency may vary. That is non-linear. It is used to extract the speech features. Why we use the filter banks means used to extract the speech features as well, and non-linear is more effective. In these two cases, non-linear is more effective and efficient as well. Clear? Let us move to the next question. Explain the spectral estimation of speech. Here it will use the DFT to find the frequency component, and along with that it will show the energy distribution as well, and the important for speech analysis. Here the DFT is very important for speech analysis, and it will show the energy distribution. It helps to identify the pitch and formats. This is very important. Clear? And the next question is linear prediction. Here what is linear prediction analysis? Predicts the current sample from past samples. It will take the current samples as well as past samples. It will predict the current samples from the past samples. It removes the redundancy. If there are any redundancy, it will remove that. The unnecessary things, it will remove that. And vocal tract is also done by the linear prediction, and it is used in compression and recognition of the speech as well. Clear? Let us move to the next question. Write the short notes on FFT, filter banks and spectral analysis. Already I have told you FFT means FFT is the faster when compared to DFT, and filter banks are the, it will split the signal into the bands, and spectral analysis, it studies the frequency of that content speech. Clear? And you have to write down always according to the marks asked for. And complete speech processing model. Explain the speech processing model. You have to explain speech converted to digital signal. How the speech is converted to digital signal, and it is processed using FFT and the filters. You have to explain about FFT and filter banks as well. And LP is used for the analysis. Previously I have explained linear prediction. Output is used in speech recognition. These things you have to explain in detail according to marks as always. Note down that this is just I have explained with key answers. These are all the important questions, and I have explained with the key answers. If you want me to explain in detail the perfect answer, then comment below and let me know. For sure I'll come up with that video. And if you found this video even 1% helpful, then subscribe to Shubhrajwal for more videos like this. And if you want this PDF link, then comment below and let me know. I'll share the PDF link details in the comment section and description as well. By clicking the link below, you can easily get the notes. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want unit 2 important questions from this subject and any other subject, also comment below. For sure I'll consider, and my next video might be that one. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.